Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see Saudi Aramco questions for welding inspector, part 3.
Question 1. What type of inspection required during incoming consumable inspection? Answer. A physical inspection. Any damaged or rusty. B. Comply the heat number of each pack against MTC. C. Tensile test, elongation test, impact test and radiography etc. Question 2. Why tensile and bend test required for PQR? Answer. Mechanical test is required to PQR qualification. The PQR gives suitability of weld for required mechanical properties. 1. Tensile test indicates the strength of weld. 2. Bend test indicates the ductility of the weld. Question 3. What is the application of impact test? Answer. Impact test helps in ensuring that the material is best for an application where it is subjected to such impacts. Question 4. What is heat input? Answer. Heat input is the arc energy. It is the amount of heat generated in the welding arc per unit length of weld.
Question 5. Formula of heat input. Answer. Heat input equal to current into voltage into 1000 divided by travel speed mm per second. Question 6. How much illumination is required for visual inspection? Answer. Minimum 1000 lux light intensity and surface to be examined at an angle of not less than 300 degree. The eye is within 24 inches 600 millimeters of the surface to be examined. Question 7. What are the additional tests are required for SS consumables? Answer. PMI, positive material identification. Question 8. For 20 mm thickness how much impact test are required? Answer. If PQR thickness exceeds 12 mm and multiple processes or multiple consumables used, separate impact test specimens shall be conducted for each process or each consumables. Question 9. Ductility where you found in below test. A. Tensile test. B. Bend test. C. Impact test. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Tensile test, after elongation. Question 10. E7018 What specify digit number 3 and 4? A. Coding characteristics, position. B. Position, coding characteristics. C. Above A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Position, coding characteristics. Question 11. Which welding process is less sensitivity related to wind? A. S. M. A. W. B. G. T. A. W. C. G. M. A. W. D. None of the above. Answer. A. S. M. A. W. Question 12. Considering material, which material get more distortion? A. Carbon steel. B. Alloy steel. C. Stainless steel. D. All of the above. Answer. C. Stainless steel because of high heat input. Question 13. Define plasticity. Answer. The property of the material by virtue of which it tends to retain the altered size and shape on removal of deforming force. Question 14. Define elasticity. Answer. The property of the material by virtue of which it tends to its original shape on removal of deforming force. Question 15. Define ductility. Answer. Ductility is the ability to undergo tensile stress without fracture or damage. Example, ability to draw a material into a wire by pulling at the ends. Question 16. Define malleability. Answer. Malleability is the ability to undergo compressive stress without fracture or damage. Example, hammered or pushed into thin sheets without breaking. Question 17. Define hardness. Answer. The hardness of a metal is its resistance of plastic deformation. Question 18. Define toughness. Answer. Toughness is the amount of energy per volume that a material can absorb before rupturing. Question 19. Define stress. Answer. Force per unit area. Newton per meter square. Question 20. Define strain. Answer: it is the ratio of change in length to the original length. Question 21. What is sour service? Answer: sour service refers to H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Question 22. What is non-sour service? Answer: non-sour services are those which do not include these harmful substances. Question 23. Types of consumables? Answer: A. Basic electrodes E7018, high quality, low hydrogen electrode. B. Cellulosic E6010 root penetration. C. Rutil E6013 mechanical properties. Question 24. Delayed cracking? Answer: cracks may occur sometimes after welding has finished, possibility up to 72 hours. Question 25. What is inert gas and active gas? Answer: inert gas has no effect or no reaction with the welding process. Active gas does have an effect on the welding process. Subscribe and share with friends.